Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain friendship signals in Heartopia for the Spark of Romance event. So go to event details here and you're just going to track it. It's in the flower fields area. It's close to the previous event area, which was the My Little Pony one. So you will see a totem here and you just need to interact with it basically, and you'll find what your role is for that day. So my role for today is Wolfie, and basically I will need to link up with Wesley and Wolney to immediately get two of the links. um, and you can just complete the task. If you link up with somebody else, it's totally fine, but you will only get the circular link signal. And if you get the one on the left, that means you'll get both the square and the circle signal, as you can see here. Press link and you'll see that people are able to then interact with that. And as you can see, I didn't get the link because there's no signals on that person's head. That means I'm not compatible. I still get the link, but I don't get two of them. So I only get one. As you can see, I only get the circular one. So in order to get two of the signal links, I'll need to find the characters that are compatible with me. Here, I'll show you in a minute what I mean. So this person next to me is compatible because he has the signals on his head. And basically, I'm just going to interact with that person. And as you can see, I will get the other link signal. But yeah, that is it. You just need to watch out for the signals on their head. Here, I'll show a clearer picture. I did take a screenshot of it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!